Hello and welcome. My name is Willow and this is You Need a Bento. Here we discuss all things bento related, from recipes to reviews, tips, and even a little bit of history. Today we're reviewing the Sakura Shunkei. It's a bento box I purchased from Bento & Co. It is currently not available, though I have seen it in other places, but can't vouch for those particular places. This I paid $18.65 for. I do believe it was on sale. All the parts comes with the top portion, which does not hold anything, the middle section with a good strong seal. It's not the strongest seal I've ever seen, but it's pretty sturdy. It's not going to give you any trouble. And the bottom, nice and big. This upper portion holds 280 milliliters. The lower holds 350 for a total of 630 milliliters. It does come with a strap, like most others. The sections are good and deep, so nothing's getting squished. This doesn't sit in too awful far, considering the size of the box itself. On the Bento & Co website, and I believe it's still available on Bento & Co Pro, though I've never purchased from there, so I can't vouch for how that experience is. On the website, it says they are dishwasher and microwave safe. My guess is that that's excluding this portion because this is, again, painted. These are by Hakoya. It's a great company. Same company that makes the Kokeshi bentos. I find this particular bento box a little bit big for me personally. I usually go for somewhere in the neighborhood of a 500 ml bento box for myself. I'm not a big lunch person. And remember that bento is only 1/3 of your daily intake of food. So it doesn't need to be all that big. I find this box quite lovely. The paint is sturdy. I haven't had any trouble with it coming off, provided that you hand wash this top piece at least. I don't have a dishwasher, so I can't tell you how well it goes through there. In the end of it, do I recommend this bento? If you have a bigger appetite, or you have, say, long shifts, or you only eat maybe 2 meals a day, yeah, I would recommend this one. For me personally, as a fairly small woman, I don't eat nearly that much, so this one typically is for either dinner bentos or if I'm only eating 2 times that day. But it is a really good box. It's very sturdy. The plastic is good and hard. It's all BPA free. So, and cost effective. So very easy on the wallet. What bento are you using? Are there any particular bentos that you would like to see reviewed? Let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can't get to them for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.